Welcome back, everybody. So we are live. We hunting for SRNE. Price is still holding up above our support. What's gonna be today? Last Friday we have 180 million worth of volume for SRNE. We closed around the 31 cent. Now in the pre-market is not that bad, around the 30 cent. So let's hope that the market will react differently, and we see a bit of squeezing for mini stocks. So this one is about to squeeze. You see clearly we have a flag and the price bounce from the support, and now there's a potential pump from this triangle. We have to watch out closely what's gonna be. We got many stocks been requested from us. TRKA pumping 34%. Let me see our list here for the stocks that have potential to squeeze. We got long list. Let me refresh our list here. We got OWLT jumping 34%, TRKA 29%. Yeah, most of them jumped over that. TRKA was 60% up, but went down right now just 30 minutes before the market open. We see the short seller is still strong. So today markets, is it for the bull or for the bears? Who's gonna win Tuesday market? We have a long weekend, so we have to be prepared and we have to be ready. Welcome everybody, welcome. Happy to see you here, Luis. Good morning, brother. George in the house, welcome, brother. George asked about BBIG bottom. Yes, Luke. Yes, Smith, TRKA. Many of you ask about TRKA. Barnes, hello, brother. Hello. SRNE. Yeah, we watching SRNE. There's a potential. There's a huge potential. However, in the time being, let us add some stocks in our watch list, because you can see here we got almost just 5 stocks that we watch in pre-market. Let us see OWLT, because the pre-market volume is almost 4 million, jumping 34%. It's pretty cheap, 34 cents, but we have to be ready. We might see a huge pump for this one. You see what's happened? The pre-market was up almost 60% for this one, like TRKA. It went down 30% and is still having 30% as a profit. So this one is been target. This stock been targeted by the short sellers. 30% just before the market open. Wow. Interesting. You see this wick, huge selling pressure open when we hit the 60 cent. The price now is around the 41 cent. What's gonna happen? Yeah. It's still heavily shorted. You know why? Because we did a short analysis update for this one, and we said we're still inside this bearish channel. That's why the price got shorted even before the market opened. We are still inside this bearish channel. The good thing is we're still holding the 41 cents. If we held, we might see a continuation at least toward the 68. Oh boy, this one should be a runner. Interesting. This one look interesting play. We might see a volatility if we broke the 49. Yes, sir. 49 looking interesting. Looking interesting for the short to buy back their shorts. TRKA second. Let me refresh if we see a bit of, yeah. TRKA is pumping 32% now. Next up we got FMCC. Low volume. This is a trap, guys. Low volume, 2.6K. It's not interesting to me. You put your money inside the stock, is like a black hole. You can't get out. I don't like this. I need liquidity. Volume is really important. Consider volume is like water for plants, you know, for is life. There's no volume, there's no interest for investors, and is a done deal for me. I can't trade it. FMCC, yeah, low volume. The other one, low volume, pretty cheap. AMSTT, maybe. This one was previous runner, but in the time being, looking dicey for me. Always go in a big picture to see what's going on. Not interested. I'm not interested right now. I'm not interested. Thank you very much. Let me refresh our chart and see who are ready to our live streaming. Yeah, Abe is dead. Jim said Abe is dead. I don't know about that. Still didn't broke our support. We didn't get any notification from that. ABNB testing our support. ABNB going back down 1.60 cents down, or $1, 1% down, yeah. So now testing an important support. Interesting. Yeah, we already did the huge pump for ABNB, so 32%. So this is normal. In this condition of the market is normal, as long as we never dip below the 120. We might see a reversal. Yes sir, let me just bring this down to be ready for a reversal. Yes, ABNB looking good. TWT Tether. So this one is pumping. Is a coin, yeah, this is a coin. Interesting. So we have a bit of reversal for a cryptocurrency. Trust Wallet coin is doing all right, still holding the support. And we have breakout zone and squeeze around the $1.84. Yeah, it's been a while. Last time we did update for cryptocurrency. We have to do a video because there's something about to happen for cryptocurrency. COSM hit our scan. COSM going down, brother, going down. I don't like the chart. The chart look heavily manipulated. Look at this, man. Look at this. We have reverse split, price jumped and pumped almost 1000%, of course, with the reverse split price. Then we got rejected around the $23 and see this huge wave down, man. Wow. You tell me this is not manipulated? Come on, man. Look, 86%. We give all the profit back and we went down around the $2, now $4 and going back down. I don't see any common sense for this chart. Look at this chart. Look really crazy. Okay, so for COSM is looking dangerous. As long as we are below the 9, I'm not interested. TRKA, okay, looking good. Still holding the gap. AI hit our scan as well. AI hit our scan. We have a huge bump for AI. Huge bump. Really interesting. Not a huge pump for it, but it's good reaction that we bounced from this bottom that we discussed before. If you remember the 22.80 cent, we talked about this level and we said should be the bottom, and you see it clearly that AI held perfectly. Yeah, the 22.80 cent. Good reaction for AI. Good reaction. Now let me just check another level to break. Another, yeah, we tested the price that we should break from, but we didn't hold. Yeah, we have a test and the price went down to 24.42. Let me just check. Yeah, let me just put it around 24.30 for another retry to break this level around the 46. Yeah, this is really interesting. Interesting for AI. Let me just put it there. Last Friday we went down just 2%. Okay. Okay. Interesting. What's going on with Tesla? What's going on with Tesla? 1% down once again. Once again, we are dropping. For many of you asking about Tesla and if we should short it or buy long right now, this will be an interesting question because at the moment we don't have a decision yet. In the time being, we are still bullish, even though in smaller picture we trending down. As long as we hold the 180 is looking good. And if we broke the 216, a confirmation for another pump. So now is dicey, now is testing area because we are below the resistance. However, like the chart is still looking interesting, because we got a great reversal after the earning. Nvidia as well looking good. We have double top around the 230, pre-market the same. We got earning for tomorrow. Earning for tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow after hours, Wednesday. Yeah, we got earnings for Nvidia. Okay, watch out, guys. Earnings for Nvidia tomorrow. We might see a volatility. Yes, everybody. Yeah. Let me just put this, insert that. Earning Nvidia coming up tomorrow. NEO, after 8 days, we got earning for NEO after 8 days. Price is still holding up above the 9, so we might see a retest for this bottom. We got Shopify is down 3%. Wow, the market is down big for many stocks. Last Friday, you with me, last Friday, yeah, Today we might see a huge red day for many blue chip company. We'll see if the first hour will define that. Okay, the first 1 hour for the market will define if we're gonna end up this week kind of red or green for many stocks, because in the pre-market now we got many blue chip company are down, like Tesla almost 2%, Nvidia almost 2%, Neo the same price almost 2%. We got Shopify almost 3%, ABNB 5% down, SoFi, we got SoFi 2% down, UPS Start or UPST 3%. So the range between 2 and 3, so it's not big like short down, but we might see a reversal red to green. So as we said, the first hour will kind of give us the balance and the weight who's gonna win, at least for today, if we're gonna close green or red. Let's see the first hour. The first hour is a power hour, or some of you said the last hour of the trading session it's called power hour, because usually we're gonna have a huge pump. So if the market go down, we might see a power hour pump for them. So don't say, okay, the market is red, I will never trade. Don't trade until you find the setup, the right setup. If you see a low volume for today, don't buy. If you actually just buy stocks and you don't short, low volatility, markets going down for, let's buy and Nasdaq, this is a big signal that you should never buy any stock if you always buy in the Polish market, because if you never trade in the bearish market, or you never trade stocks when you go down or on the dip, it's kind of hard for you to trade, because you gonna have emotional trade, because you see everything's red, you be emotional, you get out early, and you never buy with confidence. So you have to take it slowly, lower your position, and in order to get used to it, first. It's like you want to swim. If you usually, for me, I learned swimming just diving in the ocean, I learned it by the tough way. I think this is the best way, is to just dive in. It's not like in a swimming pool, but dive in the ocean and learn on the way. Either sink or swim, but I don't suggest to do this for your brother, your youngest brother. It's not good, You have to be extremely careful. It's dangerous. However, that's how I do it, like in my life. How I learned swimming is like diving in the ocean. It's not a swimming pool. And I learned on the way is like a few seconds. And trading as well, dive right in. I put my own money, not demo account, straight in, real account. Because usually when you take step by step, you waste time, because you never learn. For demo account, you never learn the emotional part. For swimming as well, you never learn that you should be confident that you actually have the I don't know, like the duck instinct, or the bird know how to fly the moment that they actually came into life. So the best way to learn is to dive right in, not just take it step by step, but dive right in. And of course have calculated risk. Don't just jump in with all your money to trade. This is a bad idea, of course, but jump in with a real account and you just put $100. That's like the money that you're willing to lose, and you never be like bankrupt or you sleep in the street. So calculated risk, but take real risk in order to learn. Otherwise, you'll be left behind and never learn, because you take at least 1 year to learn in 1 day. Because if you take high risk, you learn a lot of things in 1 day. So this is learning experience. You never learn it in school, or I don't know, like take it step by step. You waste time to learn valuable information in a few seconds. Just imagine. Okay, many of you maybe not agree with me, but this is how I do it. Okay. We got kind of the outlook for many of you asking about SRNE, APE, AMC. Yes, we got many people asking about those. Let me just check them out before the market open because we got just 10 minutes left. 10 minutes left. Pre-market. For Emulan is still holding. Still holding the 25. We might see a huge dip if we broke the 25. I don't like it. If we retest the 25, I don't like the reaction. That's what gonna happen for MULN. For APE, down 1%. Not bad. Not bad. Down 2%. Not bad. I don't know, like, why this line move, man? Like, I don't know, like, trading view now is getting on my nerve, you know? I have to adjust the line every time. I don't know what's happened. Sometimes I get scared, like, oh, we broke their support. But when I check, I see that trading view is kind of mess up my analysis or my drawing, you know? You see? Now it's looking good. For APE, you see what happened? We're still holding. We're still holding above this ascending line and above this box. So in the big picture, we got the first signal of weakness when we broke this flag. But now we're still holding this important level in the big picture. So this is in smaller picture. This flag breaking up. However, in the big picture, we're still holding this ascending line. So as long as we hold this box between the $2 and $1.90 in a big picture, APE is ready to reverse and squeeze once again. For AMC and AMCX, on the other hand, okay, AMCX did 32% and now 1% in pre-market down. Not bad from the 32% up. We're still holding the gain. We're still holding the gain. Look at this gain. Last Friday, huge gap, man, from the 20 after the good earnings. Huge good earnings, 146%. And for AMC, we still didn't have the earnings yet, but in just 1 week. And the pre-market AMC, the only stock that we check now from the blue chip company or the big companies that is actually up 5%. Looking interesting. AMC is pumping. AMC is pumping. Last Friday we have accumulation around this area between the 5 and the $5.50. See what's happened right now? We talked about it and start pump once again, now around the $6 or 6%, almost $6. We're gonna have a test when the market open on this box. Oh boy, this would be a huge test. If we broke it, game on for AMC. Will be number 1 stock that we should watch because we might see a huge gap, huge pump. At least 17% around the $6.50. We might have this reaction. What's gonna be? Boom, 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 boom. Without rejection, we're gonna have this level. AMC, AMCX as well. We might see a continuation toward the $30. We hold this gap, looking good, looking good. So AMC is pumping before the the earnings. Okay. Yeah, George, BBY is too risky. Made a sweep. Yes, brother. Hopefully we find the ATM machine stock today. A good one. Let me just check BBIG. George asked about BBIG. If we have a dip, 5% down. Oh, it's dicey now. BBIG dicey. You see what's happened last time we talked about this box to hold. Last time we dipped, we have a huge buying pressure. Price went up, but now we are gapped down 5%. So George now is not looking good because we broke this box and we dive 5% down from it. So let me adjust the technical. Yeah, it look really bad now after we broke this level. I don't like it one bit. As we said before, the 87th was the level to break. We have triple top, you see here, and we got rejected. Now we got a break for the 55 and we gapped down. It's not even, there's no test. So we gapped down. So we might go down toward the 43 now. The new support that might be tested in coming days. If we don't break this level of resistance now around the 56. So yeah, the 43 should be the bottom this week if we don't overcome this resistance around the 56. BBY, we got BBY. BBY is really risky, of course. 3% down for BBY. And we dipped from this level. We dipped from the $1.78. It's not looking good. It's not looking good anymore. It's not looking good. So we might see the dip around the $1.48. BBY, $1.48. Continuation for the selling pressure. Looking bad at the moment. So yeah, BBY looking interesting. We have continuation, a new low around the $1.73. Let's go back to our list and watch out before the market open for SRNE. Potential continuation and a huge pump for SRNE. If we broke this flag when the market open, the breakout zone should be confirmed around the 32 cents. TRKA, red to green. We have a reversal from our support area. Really good. We might see a squeeze. ARBE as well. We're watching CMMB testing our support. AI. We might see a test for a breakout zone around the 24.42. So let us watch SRNE and TRKA. Both of them looking juicy. SRNE looking really juicy now. SRNE looking interesting. Welcome everybody. So we have just 1 minute left. Let us hit the like button. We got almost over 100 people watching and just 26 likes. Come on guys, let's pump these likes up before the market open, and let's see at least the 50 likes in order to let YouTube algorithm that our live streaming have to be spread as big as possible for new viewers. So this is the only way to help other traders as you guys, and preventing from new trader losing money when they actually buy around the top or selling around the bottom. We have to be strategic. That's why we do here. We hunt for the market, the hunter way of trading. So let's go guys, let's go. Okay, SRNE is pumping. SRNE is pumping from this flag. Let's see if we have a continuation. Okay, SRNE is pumping. What's gonna be? SRNE, we need to hold. SRNE, we need to hold. Okay, SRNE, perfect. Let's go. 36 should be the profit taking. AI hit our level of breakout zone as well. CMMB not looking good now. ARBE not looking good. TRKA looking still interesting. SRNE, the only one is ready to pump. If we broke this level, we need to break this level, 31.99, to go toward the 36. Let me just put it here. This is good reaction to break this flag. Let's see a continuation. TNYA, still struggling. Let's see. TNYA going down, this one as well. Let me just take it from the list. Not looking good. Okay, SRNE, AI still holding. Okay, so we have AI and SRNE looking good. AI and SRNE. Which one would be the one that we should look for? Okay, SRNE have a struggle around the 32. The 32 should be a confirmed breakout. We have the first signal for a breakout from this flag. So we need to hold kind of around this level. Let me just show you. Okay, around this level, 29. So we need to break this resistance to go toward the 36. AMC hit our level. AMC looking good as well. Let me just put it on the list. AMC is pumping. AMC hit our scan. 6%. Okay. AMC looking interesting, testing our box. Okay, so we got 3 stocks: AI, SRNE, and AMC. Okay, SRNE is about to break our resistance level. SRNE for a huge pump. Okay, now it's the 32. Now we hitting 32. Okay, we have a breakout, SRNE breakout. Okay, SRNE is a breakout. Breakout for SRNE. Perfect. Okay, SRNE is a breakout. We have a breakout for SRNE, AI breakout, AMC breakout. We have three stocks have potential to squeeze for today. AMC, AI, and SRNE. 6% is going toward the 36. SRNE, let's see. Okay, perfect. Already entered. So now around almost 7%. So let's see if we hold above the 30 to continue toward the 36. AI, AMC, AI looking good as well. Let's see AI if we hold the 24 for the 26. AI 4%, SRNE 5%. Are we gonna have a pullback? No, SRNE is pumping. No pullback. SRNE is pumping. SRNE is officially pumping 8%. Good. Let me just see if we could actually add a bit. Okay. Let's see. We don't need any pullback right now. We need another pump, at least around the 35. Yeah, the 36 should be the first test. We have another test now around the 34. So the 34 should be the first test before we might see a rejection here. For SRNE, we might see a rejection to retest the 31 before we're gonna continue to go higher. So a rejection, potential rejection around the 34. We went until the 33.49. So we might see a rejection around the 34. So if we don't get rejected around the 34, a clear indication for a rocket toward the 36. So this is confirm for a continuation or a reversal. Let's see if we have a test without a rejection. What I mean about a rejection is mean a wick and the price closed below. So let's see. So now we don't have any pullback, so this is good. For SRNE, let's see a continuation. AI looking really interesting. AMC is pumping, guys. 10%. AMC is pumping officially. Okay, 34. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, it's great. Let's see a pump. Okay, this is good. Aha, now we have a bit of pullback. Let's see. Never. Oh man, we have a pullback now. Let's see in a smaller picture. Yeah, red candle. Let's hope not going below anymore. We need a pullback. We need this 1 minute candle to close green. This will be a great indication for strength. Okay, we are already 9% up for SRNE. We could actually, let me just check. Still strong. Still strong. 34, it might be a bit pullback as we said. We need to close green for this candle, guys. Yes, green. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, green. Let's go. Another one green. Continuation. We need the continuation. We need a continuation toward the 36. Let's go. 36, 48. A continuation will be great toward this level of profit taking. At least 36. At least 36 before any rejection will be really great for SRNE. This is doable. We already did just 12%. 34.80. $35. Let's see 36. Yes, 35, 30. We need 36, guys. We need 36. 36 to take a bit of profit. 36. We need 36. We need 36 for SRNE. Continuation. 36 at least. Okay, AMC pull back. AI pull back. TRKA looking good. We holding. SRNE going back a bit. We have a bit pullback. We need the 36 as we said, 36. Okay, are we ready now? 36. Are we ready for the 36? 35, 33. Let's see the 36 now. We need to see the 36. DKNG. What's happening with DKNG? Aha, DKNG, red to green. DKNG looking really interesting. DKNG. Okay. This one is pumping, guys. 36 right now. We're gonna hit the 36. Let me add DKNG in the list. Okay, 35.60. We need 36. Whoa, huge short open now, but it's still holding. Let me just go in smaller picture. I don't like it. Why this pullback? We went until the 35.50. 35.50. Okay, the 5-minute chart looking good. Okay, now pullback. Now is pullback. 35. Now it's pullback. Yeah, now we pull back. We went until the 35.60, not 36. Interesting. Let's see a hold up here. Let's see a hold up above the 34 as a support for a continuation toward the 36. Okay, let me just take this off. Yeah, this the profit taking still around the 36, 36.40. AI, I don't like the chart for AI. Look really bad. We broke and we went down again, so it's heavily manipulated, so we'll leave it be right now. Oh no, yeah, we're still testing. This is a test. AI will take it from the list at the moment. AMC looking good. TRKA still undecided. Yeah, because below 35 is not interesting. ARBE looking really good, pumping now, pumping. ARBE, DKNG looking really good, 5% or almost 4%. DKNG, see what's happened after the earnings. We pumped almost 30% and now it's still pumping. It's still pumping. DKNG looking interesting. DKNG, a new high for today, new high. Okay, DKNG looking good. AMC looking interesting. SRNE pullback. Yeah, pullback near our first profit taking, the 36. Pullback. But look with me closely what's going on. We need to hold this breakout level, which is preferably around the 32. Yeah, the 32 should be support now. This level should be the support to confirm a continuation toward the 36 and above. It's RNE. If we don't want to have a fake out and sell off, 32 should be a support. Really good. This area, never go below this area. Even if we got wick here is okay, but we don't want to have any closing candle below here. Now still looking good. We got rejected near the profit taken, the 36. We got around the 35.69. Okay, interesting. AMC looking good, guys. AMC looking good. We don't have a pullback. We are inside this box. So let me just upgrade it here. So yeah, the level that we have to watch out for is the $5.88. A huge test now for AMC. Just be careful, guys. If you already bought, you might see a rejection here around this level. For DKNG, we have a bit of drawback. So for DKNG, interesting support here for continuation up. Let's see. And of course, we have to put alerts because we can actually watch all the stock at the same time. What I should do now, or you do, is level of alert For confirm that the price is reverse now is we have a pullback. For TRKA, on the other hand, we have to lower our breakout zone around here because the price is still continue to go down. ARBE, okay, DKNG going down a bit. Okay, we have SRNE and AMC. So SRNE is going to reverse because it's still above the 32. You see what's happened here? A pullback. This is normal. This is normal. Yes. Plus the like button and the way in, everybody. We always do live streaming around the 3 p.m. CET before the market open. We hunt for mini stocks like you see today. We hunted for SRNE, LNZA. We have an IPO, I think. IPO. Yeah. I think February. No, not today, but the IPO was 10th of February, 10 days ago. Not interesting, low volume. SRNE looking interesting, guys. SRNE is still holding. We might see a test right now around the 36.48, first profit taken. And breakout zone, of course. For today, we might do another 23%. Now is 11% up, so we might have 30% up for SRNE for today. Interesting, 30%. You know what happened for SRNE? We have a huge selling pressure, huge short open here around the 90 cents. So we might see a huge test for this level. At the moment, we have to test those two profit taken, then we might see the $1. Once again, the stock is pretty volatile. You see what's happened here? This stock have a huge action. It's not done yet. We hunted for it the last week, if you remember, when we hit this level, the 2090, and Metaverse, our brother here, just gave us a heads up for this stock. He said it's jumping, and he was right. And we checked the technical was interesting. AMC getting rejected near our resistance level. You see what's happened? We have a bit of hold up here around the $5.88 because there's a selling pressure happening at the moment. There's a huge fight. DKNG going back down a bit. Interesting. Yeah, it's not there yet. Okay, SRNE is about to break. SRNE is about to break the first profit taken. Okay, SRNE 36. SRNE is 36. As we said, profit taken will be triggered right now. Okay, perfect. SRNE. We just take a bit of profit here. Let's see a breaking for the 36.48 now. SRNE. It's pumping. Yeah. We're getting rejected. Just right below our profit taken. As we said, this is a profit taking area. That's why we see a bit of struggle. If we broke it, we're gonna have a huge pump. Let's see, another pump. It's RNE. We're watching SRNE. There is a huge movement. 19 million worth of volume. Don't tell me we're gonna get shorted here. Yeah. This is crazy. Yeah, exactly around our level of resistance. We need a huge pump here. A huge pump to clear this level of resistance. We already said this is a profit taken, so this is normal. AMC getting hold up around the $5.88 resistant area. The KNG we have to watch out now for the 2145. ARBE still struggling. TRKA still struggling. So we're still watching SRNE for a break for the 36.48. Profit taken, already took profit there. And the resistance now because we didn't overcome it. You see what's happened? Price going down. This is normal. This is normal. Exactly. Castillo, my brother. Keep yourself hydrated. Castillo. Welcome, Ray. Welcome, brothers. Zakaria. ATNM got news Saturday. We don't care about the news, brother. We care about the price action. What's going to happen? Are we going to have a pump or dump? The news is unrelative if the price is down or low volume. Oh man, you see what's happened here? A huge selling pressure. Exactly around our profit taking. This is madness, man. This is madness. Huge selling pressure. SRNE 30.48 as we said it. We need to take profit. We need to take profit on the way. This is the market, guys. This is the market. As long as we hold, as we said, the 32, we're gonna have a reversal. We reversed here. Price went up around our profit taken. Now got rejected. You know what I'm gonna do now? I will leave it be and see if the price held above the 33 in order to have a breakout around 36. So this is the reaction will happen. Holding above the 34, breaking the 36. This would be the best case scenario for SRNE. Already bought alert here, confirmation for a weakness if we broke the 33. So I have alert from down, I have alert from up. So the price can't go anywhere. It can't go anywhere, impossible. So if we just go and check AMC, we see that the price will never actually go from us. That's why it's really important to have alert for any stock you're watching. For AMC, a lot of you asking what's going on, where we should take profit for AMC, what should we do? So for AMC, now we are nearing a turning point. What I mean, here is a resistance area. You see this red candle forming now? We have a bit of selling pressure. So there's two strategies. Either we take profit at the moment because there's weakness now, and re-enter after we break the $5.88 so we don't feel FOMO. So this is the first strategy, or wait until we have confirmed support. Now the support that we should reverse and hold is above this level, which is, let me just show you exactly what I mean. This area should really be support if we don't want to have a sell-off. Above the $5.50. So if we held above this level, will be a game on for AMC to break the $5.88. So here the support we should hold for today, and here the resistance that we should break. Resistance is mean profit taken as well. So the $5.88 should be a break-in zone, breakout zone. Now we have a selling pressure, of course, because a huge selling pressure open here. We're gonna have a reversal above the $5.50. Here we're gonna see a huge buying pressure. Holding this level, we're gonna break the $5.88. Straightforward, guys, straightforward. SRNE holding, great. We gonna have a breakout now. A breakout will happen now. The 36.48 will be breaking now. This is it. We have a rejection, price went down, bought back, now breaking. This is it. We should have a breakout zone now for SRNE. This is it, this is it, this is it. Okay, what's gonna be? AMC. Yeah, of course, going back down. Let me just lower this here, but alert there for precise breakout. Okay, still doing higher lows. Let me just lower this support here. AMC is on the move. I'm still watching. There's something going on. Yeah, there's someone selling around the $5.80. DKNG 21.45 breakout zone. Two test here. Price went down. Now it's still fighting. We have accumulation. So there's a potential breakout for DKNG after we break. Now we accumulating. So this is normal. So the next time we break that 21.45 will be game on for us for entry. Now I don't advise to enter for DKNG because we still have a struggle. The good thing is there's someone buying this dip. You see here, huge wick. So someone buying like big time above this level. So let me just see if we have another support. The 20. Let's see if we hold this area. Now it's tight. Let me just check. 1%, 6%. Okay, pull back. We have a pullback. Yeah, the 2084 would be really interesting to hold this level. Oh man, this one is about to break. Around this level, $6.90. Interesting level here. Wow, there's something about to happen here. Let's see if we're gonna break. SRNE still holding, AMC still holding, DKNG still holding, ARBE, TRKA still not ready. We might have a power hour for TRKA. Just wait for it, guys. Now we're watching ARBE. There's a potential breakout now. There's a potential breakout now around the $6.88. Potential breakout. So someone or some hedge fund just bought this stock. We have accumulation. The price got shorted heavily, but now doing higher lows. There's a potential break now around this level. So let's see if we break the $6.88. Let's see how much we can make here. Almost 10%. So this is looking good. And let me just put this here for a precise exit. If we broke this level, is mean a weakness and continuation down. Interesting play. This one really interesting. I like what I'm seeing here. SRNE going up. SRNE is about to break the 36. SRNE is looking great. AMC looking great as well. Let's see if we hold this flag at the moment. This will be interesting. If we broke it, it's mean a weakness and going toward the $5.48. We're testing now. We're testing. ARBE. ARBE, what's gonna be? ARBE. ARBE. Wow, still struggling. SRNE still struggling. Of course, man, of course. As we said it, the 36.48, this is it. You see the struggle? You see the struggle, what's happening now? This is normal. This is normal. This is normal. When you see, when we have more selling pressure from above than buying pressure from below, the price will go down. Okay, AMC still testing. Don't like it. If we broke here, would be a bit of weakness. As we said, the $5.88, the $5.80 is the potential breakout zone. We already did 8%, so this is a drawback or pullback. So it's still in smaller pictures there's a weakness, but in the big picture you see it here, we still have a strength, you know, after this pump. As we said, the $5.48, we might see a test for it at the moment now. Yeah, the $5.47. Let's see if we gonna have a test for it. If we broke this kind of flag. SRNE pullback. SRNE is about to break the 36.48. ARBE. We have selling pressure. As we said here, resistant. We have flag formed from below. So someone bought this dip around the $6. That's why the price went high. We got short seller heavy positioned around the $6.88. We might see a break at the moment around the $6.88. What's gonna be? This will be a turning point, for my opinion, for ARBE to have a huge pump, because we already did 50% up before the market opened, and now we're still holding 55%, so this is good. So we might see a continuation for this until the $8. Imagine now it's $6. We might see $8 before the market closes. So we have to be really focused and never let any trade go from us. That's why we have alert from above and below. So if the price went down, we don't buy. This means a weakness. If the price bump and we go above our resistance, we enter. This means a strength. Simple as that. Now we see there's a bit of selling pressure because it's weakness, because we're still inside this flag. This is accumulation phase. We can't control what's gonna happen inside this flag. This is not decisive. The market's still not decided yet for the price to go higher or lower. That's why I don't suggest to buy inside this flag, because this is called gambling. Here is gambling, guys. Here, before I was trading here, you know why? Because I want to cut the trade before it pump up or down, you know, but it's really risky because it's kind of gambling. We can't know exactly what's going to happen here. If someone told you he knows exactly what's going to happen inside the flag, either he's just gambling or just kind of do it by chance, or he's lying. SRNE 36 breaking, great. SRNE have a breakout, a new level. SRNE looking good. SRNE looking good. SRNE is still pumping, guys. Looking interesting play now. SRNE looking interesting. SRNE looking interesting. Let's see another pump for SRNE. We need another pump. At least 38. Now it's 36.50. What's going on? The price is kind of, yeah, 36, 37. Let's see 37. We have a pump. We have I think a gap up. Let's see a continuation. Let's see a continuation for SRNE. Still, there's a room. Okay, we're gonna fill the gap around 36.50. We need to hold it. We need to hold it. Okay, we need to have a buying pressure now. Yeah, this is good. This is good. 36.90, perfect. Let's see the 37. Wow, there's someone selling around the 37. We need to break the 37. 36.95. Interesting. Looking good. Breaking the 37 would be a huge pump. Breaking the 37 would be a huge bump. 36.96. We got 36.96. Okay, another candle forming now. 1 minute. 1 minute candle. Aha, undecision now. ARBE. ARBE is pumping. ARBE is pumping. Okay, ARBE is pumping, guys. ARB is pumping. Is running, guys. Is running. This one is running. Oh boy, this one is running. Oh, a huge selling pressure because we got toward the $7.69. This is normal. As we said, the breakout zone was around the $6.88. You see here, was our breakout zone. And what we said, the $7.69 should be the first profit taken. Wow, this one is pumped big time, man. Just in a few seconds, we got 10%. SRNE looking crazy. Wow, huge selling pressure now. Huge selling pressure. I don't like this. I don't like this. Huge selling pressure open for ARB. So the short seller are hiding in the $7.69. This is where they are hiding. DKNG. I don't like it. Now I don't like it. DKNG looking dicey now. AMC broke this flag, so as we said, the $5.47 should be the bottom. ARBE, TRKA is kind of dicey now. Wow, this one is really crazy, man. The price was here, and this flag, as we said, there's something about to happen. We broke actually from the $6.88, and once we broke, we test the $7.69. As we said, this orange line, this is breakout zone and profit taken if we entered around this area. Then the price got rejected, now retested our support, the $6.80. This one, I don't like the reaction, a huge selling pressure, so we might see a continuation down. If we broke this level, it means a sell-off. If we broke this level, it means short seller went really heavily. So we need to hold this area. This area should hold around the $6.60 and the $6.80. If we broke it down, it means game over. We're gonna fill this box. If we held it, it means we're gonna squeeze around the $7.69. This is it. This stock is about to squeeze if we broke the $7.69 next time. $7.69. I think the short seller are winning the game now. It's game over, I think. I think it's game over for this stock, yeah. I think it's game over. I don't like this reaction. Going back again after this a huge pump. This is not looking good. Still testing, you see, this is it. The $6.88. This is it. This should be the last support. We need to pump. We need to pump right now. This is it. AMC, okay, SRNE. SRNE is still holding. Okay, ARBE, what's gonna be? Still 62%. Wow, man, huge short open here for this stock. Huge. We didn't stay even 1 second. This is not good, man. This is not looking good. After this short, this is not looking good. Yeah, I think it's game over now. Yeah, I think it's game over. If we broke this, it's game over. $6.88. We're still holding. $6.97. We need to see the $7.27 for squeeze for the stock. Okay, $7. Are we gonna have the $7.25? With this would be good indication for a huge whale bought around this bottom. $7.02, $7.05. Okay, SRNE is still bumping, looking interesting, going toward the second profit taking, the 42. SRNE looking juicy, guys. SRNE looking pretty juicy. So we got SRNE and ARBE. SRNE still continue to go higher, steady, strong and steady toward the 42. Strong and steady. Okay, ARBE is pumping. Palantir is going really down around our bottom, the $8. SRNE is pumping, guys. SRNE going toward the 42.90, the second rejection. Watch out, this is a huge rejection will happen here, 42. The first rejection, as we said, was around 36. After we broke it, we see what's happened, a huge pump. 36.48, now 40 cents, around the 40 cents, looking good. SRNE looking good. Okay, perfect. Let me adjust SRNE. Perfect. We already add some position for SRNE when we actually pumped from this level. We add some position for SRNE, and now it's still going toward the 42. So let me put here the 36 as a support. Pull back a bit. This is normal. Okay, so looking good for continuation toward the 42. ARBE have a bit of struggle. As we said, we need to 27.25. 27.25 or $7.25. Yeah, the $7.25. We need to break it. Now we have a bit of selling pressure. AMC pulled back, of course. AMC went back because we hit with the rejection around the $5.80. Support at the moment is the $5.47. We need to hold here if we don't want to have a sell-off. So here is me accumulation, then continuation. We're gonna do short analysis update, of course, for AMC after our live streaming. If we broke this level after we finish our live streaming, of course, we're gonna do short update analysis for it on our Discord and our Patreon. So stay tuned for that, okay? We got many questions here. Jim always said Abe is looking done. Man, it's still Jim. Abe is look pretty nice. So in the big picture, is not done yet. Like ARBE, it's not done yet. The game is not done yet for ARBE. It's not game over. Still, we holding the $6.88. As we said, this is the support. We held it, game on. Oh man, SRNE going toward the first profit taken. 42.97, looking pretty nice, guys. Looking pretty nice. SRNE 33%. We cut this trade today around this flag when we broke from it. When the market opened, we said a really good entry. And we entered and we actually took profit. Then we add some position around the 36 and let the other one go around the 42 profit taken. So here we're gonna hit our profit taken at the moment for SRNE. Looking interesting. Perfect. ARBE is still struggling. We might see a huge pump for this one as well toward the $7.69, which is the squeeze area for this stock. Huge squeeze will happen here. Watch out. Okay, we are moving, looking interesting. What's gonna be? What's gonna be? Okay, SRNE getting pullback, of course. Before our profit taking around the 42, this is normal. A huge pullback. We have a red candle forming. We're gonna have the test now for the 42. Yeah, we a bit overextended here, so we might see a pullback before the profit taking, so this is normal. It's not considered sell-off for SRNE as long as we hold above the 36, okay? So this is really important to note. If we broke the 42, we're gonna have another profit taking. Another big profit taking. AMC looking not bad, not bad. We have a bit of drawback here, flag down, but the price is kind of accumulating and ready to break. If we just hold above this level, is still game on for AMC. SRNE looking still really strong because we have a huge buying pressure here around the 40 cent. And someone selling really big time around the 42 cent. So there's a huge fight now, guys. There's a huge fight. I can see it. ARBE, someone bought heavily around the $6.88. We might see a squeeze, guys, for this one. 64% and still not ready to finish. It's not ready to finish yet. Patience, guys. Patience is a key. Remember that. ARBE is pumping, guys. ARBE is pumping officially. Let's see at okay. We have a squeeze now. We have a squeeze. Let's see a squeeze around the $7.69. If we broke it, we might see even a hold up. We might see even a hold up because this stock is crazy, man. We have a huge selling pressure opened here. The short seller have to cover right now around the $7.69. We might see a huge cover up for the short sellers. Huge cover for the short sellers. Let's see right now. Oh man, it's still fighting. What's going on here? You know what I'm gonna do? I will put alert around the $8 and lower it down around this level. Here we're gonna have a squeeze, guys. $7.69. This is it. Huge pump we're gonna have here. Let me just check. 13%. Oh man. Still, man, there's a huge fight. This is not normal. This is not normal by any means. $7.39, $7.36. So this is it. The short have to cover now. Great question. We got great question about SRNE. Where's the profit taken? Wait a second. Let me just check. Oh man, what a crazy short again. We got shorted. This is, I think, game over, man. I think this is game over. Yeah, I think this is game over. Yeah, now it's game over. Twice, we got shorted twice. This is not good, man. This is not good. SRNE going down, guys. SRNE is going down. We got shorted right around our profit taken. The 42, yeah, the 42, it was a really good profit taken. We already went until the 41.87. Just few cents, you see here? Just few cents. So the price got rejected, of course. So profit taken triggered. Profit taken triggered, the price will go down. Now we're gonna have a huge selling pressure again to test the 36. Around the 36 and the 37. Here should be the support. So as long as we hold this level, is mean game on still for SRNE. It's not sell off. It's mean accumulation, and the price will revisit the new high. So now the 42.97, as we said, the 42 is the resistant, guys. The resistant area. That's why we got rejected once again. After this huge pump, you see, two huge 5-minute candle green. Then now we have a bit of hold up down. So now we might see a pullback towards the 37 and 36. If we held, is mean accumulation, then continuation higher. And of course, we're gonna do chart analysis update. Of course, for SRNE, if we broke the 42, the 42 is the resistance, guys. You see what's happened here? We went until the 38. This is normal. This is normal. The price went down. Wow, this one, man, this one, we have double top once again. The short seller, I think, not even short sellers, those like hedge funds managers or like they have some inside news, guys. They just sold this with millions of shares. Let me just check how much we got shorted around this candle. 19K and this one 14K. So yeah, we got a huge selling pressure compared to the other candles, of course. So the other candles is just 1K, 2K. Then here got shorted with 15K and here 15K once again. That's why the price can't go up if we have more selling pressure. It's risky, guys. This one is really risky. AMC kind of no action. SRNE pull back and hold up. This is good. Still holding up. Buyer fighting back. Exactly. Someone said AMA have interesting chart. Yeah, it's really looking interesting. AMAM. Oh man, this one pumped, man. This one is pumped 50%. This one, man, this one look really good. We held the $2.80 and we pumped. So yeah, AM went really pretty nice. We discussed the stock before. We said that $2.83 is the support, and we already drew this level of ascending channel. And today we are pumped officially. We pumped from the $4.57. We might have the $7 pretty soon, man. This one could actually go another 50%. Now it's 54%. So this one just started to pump. Thank you for bringing this up, brother. I forgot about it, and I didn't have alert for it. Okay, $7. I think we're gonna go around the $5.80, and we might see a huge selling pressure there. Yeah, $5.80. This is it. This one is still holding, guys. Still holding. You know, this is the biggest game you ever watch in your life, is the stock market, and especially those volatile stock. Here, short seller are heavily positioned around the $7.70. We got shorted twice, and then we bought back twice. So this is the biggest game for today. ARBE. And I'm not joking, this insiders buying and selling at the same time. So there's two levels. If we broke it down, we're gonna have a huge selling pressure below the $6.88. If we broke the $7.70, huge squeeze and pump up. In between is not decided. That's why we have fluctuation up and down. So this game is fabulous, it's majestic, it's unheard of. So I'm watching, man, this kind of really tight spread, even tight, really tight level of resistance and support. I kind of admire this kind of trade, you know, when we have really tight stop loss or support and tight resistance. What I mean about tight resistance and tight support is mean we got the exact test. Like the same time, man, it's the same time around the $7.60, and we went down at the same level, and then we bought back around the same level, the $6.88. You tell me this is a coincidence? I don't know, man. This is not 99% chance if that happened twice. The probability of that happening is really big. So if you watch a lot of charts, you will understand what I mean. And many of you actually you already traded at least 500 stock or 1,000 stock. For me, 100,000 or more. I stopped counting. However, the new trader who just listened to me right now didn't understand what I'm saying. I can understand, because you didn't see the mini chart, or you never trade so many times to see this probability. Okay, we got sold pressure. Now it's sold off. Now it's selling pressure. The short seller have won the game. ARBE, game over. ARBE, game over. Game over, brother. Short seller won the game. I don't like it now. I don't like it one bit. AMC is bumping back. It's good. There's alert for SRNE. Wow, SRNE looking great. We hit our profit taking, guys. We hit our profit taking. SRNE, we hit our profit taking. SRNE is pumping, guys. SRNE to the moon. SRNE to the moon. SRNE to the moon. SRNE to the moon, guys. Okay, let me just check if we got a new level. Yes. The new level, let's say around the 49, I think. Yeah, 49. Now 44, so we have another profit taken, 49. So we have to watch out. Now it's overextended, guys. Now it's overextended. After we test our profit taken, the 42, we might see a pullback now. So the ultimate one for today is to 49 or around the 50 cents. Yeah, the 50 cents psychological level, 50 cents, and after that we might see a huge selling pressure. So be careful. We already entered around this level when the market opened around this flag, and we said there's a potential squeeze for the stock. And of course we went for the first profit taken and now the second profit taken. Good trade for us, really good trade. Good trade, guys. For this one, it was really great trade. Great. SRNE, really good, man. We have a test for the first profit taken, a bit of rejection, then a break. The second profit taken, we got rejected below it. Then we bought back and we break. Now we need to have a continuation, holding above the 42, continuation toward the 50, and we might see a pullback, then continue to go higher. This is the best case scenario. We don't want to have this reaction going toward the 50, then huge selling pressure like this around the 36. This means game over, at least for today and the coming days, and we might see a pullback once again and continue to go higher. This will be a first signal of weakness if we actually went around the 36. In the time being, we need to hold at the 42 to continue toward the 44 or the 50 cents. Yeah, still fighting ARBE, but I will not trade this one. AMC looking interesting for retake, the $5.80. AM, yeah, getting rejected near the $5.80. We have a huge pump, so I would be extremely careful for a pullback for this one. We might see a pullback. SRNE is still pumping, guys. SRNE, this one mean business. We have a bounce from our profit taken or the support now, the 42. So we might see a continuation for SRNE. Let us check the other stock like Tesla. Tesla still holding above the 205. Nvidia still holding above the 210. NEO kind of neutral. So the blue chip company, you see, we have a red day for them, except for Meta. Meta's doing all right because we kind of testing an important support around the 170. That's why we have a pullback. Yeah, we have a really great support here for Meta, so that's why the price is kind of holding. This is price value. This is the price value for Meta. I don't know why we don't have chart or levels for Meta. I don't know why. but that's why I'm trying to do it at the moment. And the other one around this level. The SPY is down 1%. Wow, TRKA 19%, 19% up. It was 60%. You see what's happened? We filled the gap, as we said. We're filling the gap. We're still holding above the 22 cents, but it's really heavily shorted. Really heavily shorted. Wow. AMCX given a bit back from the profit that we did last week. 2% down. Let's check APE if we have a pump for the price. APE is almost 2% down. So AMC is looking really good with SRNE, of course, and DKNG. Yeah, so we have three stock looking kind of good. SRNE is still pumping. SRNE is still pumping, still holding. There's no pullback. We have accumulation above this breakout zone. ARBE looking interesting to study. I'm gonna study the stock. Looking really interesting to gain some knowledge from this reaction that happened here when we bumped below our resistance, the $6.88, and we got rejected here twice. So we have to study the stock. AMC still we're gonna have a huge pump after we clear the $5.80, not now. Yeah, SRNE is still pumping. So you know what we're gonna do? We can't do anything about the SRNE price. So it's not wise to just watch it. The price is still holding above the 42. So as long as we hold above this level, is still game on. So I'll leave it toward the 41.98. So yeah, this should be a current support. Now we have accumulation. We might see a continuation around the 50. So this one should be an important level to watch for SRNE. As we said before, ARBE still struggling. We didn't have a selling pressure. This is really interesting because after we broke this level, we should have actually went down directly. But the price is going up again. I think we're gonna have a test for the 7, then continue to go down. So if we have this reaction, the selling pressure will open once again around the $7.13. Yeah. AMC, I'm still watching it. Already have alert here for a breakout zone around the $5.80 and support here. So the price is still accumulating up. There's low volatility here, so we have to watch out for the $5.80 for another pump for AMC. However, the stock and the main watch list is SRNE, 62 million worth of volume. We did 42% up and now 44%. As we said, we already took two profit taken. The first one was around the 36 and the second one around the 42, and the price went down, accumulated, we held above the 36, that's why the price jumped. So the 42 now is the current support for a continuation and never having a sell-off. So be careful, guys. SRNE is accumulating. There's another pump will happen. There's accumulation here. Is about to happen at the moment around the 45. Okay, we are about to break in the 1 minute chart. Yeah, another pump. SRNE, another pump. Yeah, this one will be the biggest gainer for today. SRNE, the biggest gainer for today. Exactly, Johnny. Exactly. Of course, we're gonna have a pullback before the 90. The next pullback will happen around the 50 cents here, below the 50 cents. So the price will continue to go higher. Here will be a pullback. How everybody doing? Are we green or red in the day? Okay, let's do a poll right now to see who you are red or green in a day. Let's see who is red and who is green. Green day. Hopefully everybody is green. Okay, we got 78, 80% green. This is great. 71. Let's see if we have over 80% for today. Green. Hunter tribe. Let's see if we are green for today. Hopefully we see all green day this week. Oh man, this is funny. Someone said ape stock on vacation now. Yeah, I think so. There's no volume. Okay, is RNE going toward the 50 cent? Let's see if we have a continuation toward the 50. SRNE should be the biggest gainer in today. We got ARBE, AMAM. SRNE is not on the list. XPON hit our scan. Yeah, going down to the depth. SRNE still pumping. SRNE, we watching. The support is around the 42. We might see a pullback before we continue to go higher. Before, if we go directly toward the 49 before any pullback, will be really great, because this will be the ultimate profit taken before a huge pullback. Be careful, guys, because we have almost two pullback. This is the first, and this is the second, and the third will happen here. After that would be really risky to re-enter, okay? Really risky. We might see a huge pullback, so be careful. Okay, so we got the pull towards almost 5 minutes. Okay, this is great. This is great, looking great. So we got almost 76% people are green compared to 23% in red. So this is good for today. This is good. We have green day. Hopefully we'll be all green for this week. Exactly, Johnny. Thank you for the heads up. Exactly, Johnny. Always do your due diligence before entering the market. Is RNE still holding? Is RNE for a continuation toward the 50 cent? Let's do this. Exactly. That's the spirit. That's the spirit of hunters. Always ready, always expecting the best. And of course, if that trade go like backfired on us, we have to exit quickly to re-enter around the exact support or price value for any price for any stock. As we said, we don't suggest to average down on high volatile stock. It's really pretty risky strategy because sometimes one stock can wipe us out. So we have to be strategic, know the support, know where we take our profit, and never be greedy. Profit is always profit. And of course, this is kind of paradoxical, you know. If you tell me, okay, Jesus, if we take profit and the price going up and we miss the ultimate profit, of course, you might miss a stock that actually run 100%. That's why there's a trailing stop. There's why there's other strategy. So the wise thing is never think about the stock that jump almost 1000% and you miss them because they are unicorn stock. But the most important thing is sticking to our strategy. If we said we have to take profit, let's say around 50 cents, you have to take it. If the price go $1, you don't care. It's because our profit taking, it's hit. So don't break your strategy and stick with it. Because in probability, in the long run, you end up in green. This is the most important thing. SRNE pulled back. SRNE is pulling back. Okay, the 1 minute chart doesn't look good. The 5 minute chart looking still pretty nice because we're still holding above the 42. We have a bit of fighting happening before the 50 cents. This is normal because we kind of hit two profit taken. So this is normal that we see a bit of selling pressure. But as long as we hold the 42, everything is good for continuation toward the 50. Okay, AMC is about to pump. AMC is about to pump once again from the $5.80. Interesting. We have a pullback over the $5.50. As we said, this is the support. $5.80 should be the breakout zone now for AMC. You know, we might see the $6.50. This would be really good. Another continuation. Okay, we have a weakness here. Nobody perfect, Johnny. Nobody perfect. The most important thing that we know our mistake to learn from them. Okay, SRNE have a huge pullback now. We're gonna have a test around the 42 now. Should be our support for SRNE. Whoa, huge selling pressure. huge selling pressure for SRNE. Okay, buying pressure happening. Aha. This is the support, as we said. We should hold it, otherwise we're going to have a selling pressure. This is good reaction that we have a huge wick. We need to have a pullback like this. So this is should be our support if we don't want to have a real pullback toward this level, the 37, 36. So watch out. My alert just triggered, so I just put it there. Okay, we have a huge pullback for SRNE. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. We need to hold it. This is it. 41.99. Okay, we're breaking, I think. Yeah, selling pressure is not good. It's not good, it's not good. We're breaking our support, the first support. So now we're gonna have a test for our AMA around the 36 here. So this is, should be the bottom. Now we have a huge pullback. Let's see the 5 minute. Yeah, huge pullback. That's why it is really good to take profit on the way, because after the second profit taken is kind of dicey, you know, you don't know what's going to happen because the volatility is really pretty high. When we go on the third profit taken and the fourth, the probability of hitting the profit taken will getting lower on the third and the fourth, you know. That's why it's always suggest to take the first and the second. After that, huge selling pressure. And that's what happened now. The price is dive back down below the 42. Now it's 41. Continuation toward the 36. Yes, sir. We're gonna have a pullback, a really huge one around the 36 now. Okay, we're gonna do a short update, of course, for SRNE tests for the support and the other breakout zone. If we're gonna have a continuation or not, because this pullback is normal for SRNE. We already now is almost 28%. We already did almost 50%. So we're gonna discuss the support, the reversal area, and the other updated level for SRNE. Short update, of course, watch out for it. We're gonna do even a video update around the 8 p.m. CET for the stock that we're gonna hunt for tomorrow. So stay tuned for those two updates. One on our Discord, short analysis update for SRNE, and of course after that a video for AMC and the other stock that has been testing our breakout zone, like AMC test and get rejected. You see here. So this is really interesting chart for AMC. We're gonna do update, of course, for AMC as well. Okay, so tomorrow we're gonna do live streaming as usual, as today, 3 p.m. CET, to discuss mini stocks like SRNE that we hunted today. Really good hunt for us. Around the 32, we hunted around this breakout zone. From this flag, this was the first signal. The second signal was breaking the 32 and the price pumped. So yeah, we already took first profit taken here, the second profit taken, then the price went down. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. And as usual, if you have any question regarding how to join our Discord or Patreon, you can actually send me a message to our business email here, trading.jesus.contact And please don't reply on any spammers on the comment section, because there's many spammers talking about Telegram group and things like this. So please report them to YouTube, okay? Really important. Okay, so perfect. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next update for tomorrow.